So I'm going to show you guys how to install a rear main seal. This is a special tool from Porsche that we use. This is a very important tool. You won't want to install a rear main seal without this. So there's going to be a demonstration showing you how it actually inserts. And then the blue lock ring that's actually on the seal itself will actually automatically be picked out by this tool. Really cool tool. Everybody should have this if they're wanting to perform their own RMS job. So you see how simple that was, just like that. With the right tool, you get the job done quickly, don't mess anything up, everything goes in snug and perfect, and it seats it just the right amount of depth so the seal won't pop out and it also won't cock it. Of course, before you do that, you're going to need to use a special tool. It's called a checking tool, and I'll show you that in 1 second. Before you insert the rear main seal, because you will develop an oil leak. You actually insert it into the section where the rear main seal rests. And if this tool doesn't insert, so that will mimic the roundness to determine if there's crankshaft sag. If it doesn't go in, do not put the rear main seal in. Keep the old one in there, because if you do put the new one, guess what's going to happen? It's going to leak. Worse than the old one. So, hope that helps you guys out. We'll see you next time.